Kia India has announced the prices of the 2021 Sonet subcompact SUV and the Seltos compact SUV in the country. The refreshed Kia Sonet is priced from 6,79,000 rupees, while prices for the Seltos start at 9,95,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. Both cars now come with Kia's new brand logo. The updated versions of the Sonet and Seltos also get paddle shifters on the automatic variant. The 2021 Seltos gets 17 new upgrades, including a smart pure air purifier, remote engine start on the manual version, wireless phone projection, over-the-air map updates, voice commands for the sunroof and driver side window control. There's also the addition of the IMT gearbox on the Seltos. Meanwhile, the 2021 Kia Sonet gets 10 new features, including rear door sunshade curtains, first-in-segment voice command for sunroof open and close. Kia has also introduced features like ESC, vehicle stability management, brake assist, hill assist control on the lower variants. Bajaj Auto has reported worldwide motorcycle sales of 3,48,117 units in April 2021, overtaking market leader Hero MotoCorp to become India's #1 motorcycle seller in April 2021. Despite a 35% decline in monthly sales in April compared to March this year, Hero MotoCorp is still ahead in terms of overall volumes with 3,72,285 units, but that number includes both scooters and motorcycles. Hero's overall motorcycle sales in April this year stood at 3,39,329 units, while scooter sales in April 2021 were reported at 32,956 units. However, domestic sales numbers for Bajaj in April 2021 still suffered a 30% loss compared to March 2021 sales numbers. Bajaj dispatched 1,26,570 units in April in the domestic market compared to 1,81,393 units in March this year. Ola Electric will foray into the electric mobility sector later this year, and the company is building the world's largest scooter factory in the country. The construction of the upcoming facility is in full swing, and Yong-Sung Kim, head global sales and distribution at Ola Electric, recently shared images of the upcoming factory. The under construction site at Bargur in Krishnagiri district, Tamil Nadu, saw its first column erected recently. Ola CEO Bhavish Agarwal also visited the site over the weekend. The Ola Future Factory is being built with an investment of about 2,400 crore rupees. The plant will meet Industry 4.0 standards, will have an installed capacity of 10 million electric scooters per annum. Phase 1 will see the company produce 2 million electric scooters a year when the plant begins operations later this year.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.